Good morning, friends, and happy Thursday. We are ready for lesson 72 of our Sunday. Here we go. All right, read your sounds. Re, in. All right, and we're going to spell our sounds. So the sound is in. Remember, this is a prefix that comes before the base word. So re, as in rewrite. You're right, R-E. All right, and then we have in, like inside, I-N. And then we have a suffix, which is after the word, which is E-R. Very good. Reminder, you can be writing this down on a whiteboard or a piece of paper and either take a screenshot and upload it to Seesaw or have your parents send us a picture. All right, I want you to show me the long I 5 different ways. We've learned 5 ways to do the long I. Let's see how many ways you can write down. So we have I, consonant E, Y, consonant E, just Y, and also I-G-H. All right, did you get them all? All right, kiss your brain. All right, we're going to read our words now. So we have include, insult, inhale, intend, inbred, income, invade, insane, indeed, invent, inborn, inside, indent, invite, instep, inform, invest, inspect, inspire, inland, incline, intake, insist, increase, recall, reject, regard, refill, remark, refine, respect, refund. All these words have that prefix. Restore, rejoin, and remember means to do it again. Refresh, remake, replant, relax, record, reprint, report again, relate, retake, reform, retire, regret, remote, revoke, chirping, spray paint, newfound, cloaks, template, disclose, template, mermaid, highway, coat room. These all have transmit, athlete, cardboard. Some of these words are compound words. Eve will remain until everyone leaves. How did he react to the awful news? Report this to the boss when she comes. Did Jack inform them once or twice? All right, and we are going to spell our words. The first word has in as the prefix, intend. Intend. Go ahead and say it with me. Intend. Let's spell it in, and intend. So I know it's got that prefix in, end, and it's got the word end in it too. All right, the next one is recall. Recall. So, sorry, say it with me. Recall, all. Recall, very good. And where would we break that one? If we were breaking our syllables, whenever we have a prefix or we want to break it after the prefix, recall, very good. All right, a sight word, sure, say it with me, sure, S-U-R-E, sure. We have a vowel pair, which is the word preacher. Say it with me, preacher. Let's spell it preach. So you have preach. Very good. And then we have the word sigh. I took a big sigh. Say it with me. Sigh. S-I. It's got that long I in it. S-I-G-H. Very good. Our next word has the in prefix in it, and it's income. Say it. Income. Let's spell it. Income. Very good. Our next word has the prefix re, and the word is refund. You say it, refund. We spell it re-fund. Refund. Our next word is a sight word, any. Say it, any. Very good. Next, we have newfound. Say it with me, newfound. Let's spell it. N-oo-f-ound. So it's like a compound word, newfound. And we would split it in between the two words. All right. And our next word is fighter. Say it, fighter. Let's spell it F-I-T-er. Fighter. Very good. And another, we have two more sight words. The word of. Say it with me. Of. And we have the word both. Say it with me. Both. Both. And we're going to write our sentence. Okay, our sentence is, your refund will be in cash. 6 words. Say it with me, repeat it. Your refund will be in cash. Oh, sorry, your refund will be in cash. I did it wrong the second time. Sorry about that. So go ahead and start typing your sentence. Remember to think about what kind of letter we have at the beginning, punctuation at the end. All right, so your refund will be in cash. Period. Great job, friends. And we're going to learn about our new material today. So we have reform. So they want us to learn that, like I was kind of talking about as we were going, that we divide the syllable between the prefix and the base word. So re, and then we would divide it, and then form. Okay? And that goes for all words with the prefixes. So we have inside, and we break it after the in. Inhale, and we break it after the hail. Then we have remake. We break it after the re. Okay? And just so you know, this word that's on the other side after the prefix is called the base word. The base word, or sometimes we used to call them the root word. So it's like the base of the word, but then you can add parts to it. Okay, so let's read these words. Invent. Okay, and I want you to go ahead and think about where the prefix would be. So we would make a line after in. And what is the base word? What is it? Vent. Very good. And let's think about what kind of syllables we have. After in, we have, let's see if I can draw a line. Oh, nope, I guess not. We have, it ends, in ends with an N, so that would be a closed syllable. And then T is a consonant, so that would also be a closed syllable. All right, and it would look like this, okay? And then you've got closed, closed. All right, now we have repay. So I want you to write down that word repay and show me where would you break it and then what kind of syllables do you have. The re is now going to end with an E, and then you've got pay over on the other side. And remember when you have the AY, what kind of a syllable we call that. So I'll give you a minute. All right, so our prefix is re, our base word is pay. We have repay, so we've got an open syllable and a vowel pair for the AY. Okay, next word to go ahead and write down, invert. We have the prefix in, so that would be closed because it's got the consonant, and then vert, the T. We've got the ER here, so that is like the bossy R, so that's an R syllable, vert. Remember, we don't hear the E sound. We don't hear eh. We just say invert, and you don't hear that E, so that is a bossy R, so that's an R syllable. Okay, so we've got a closed and then an R pair. All right, relate, we know we're going to break it right after the re. We've got the E, so that's going to be open. And then our late is going to be a silent E, just like that. So open and silent E. All right, we have rejoin. Our prefix is re. We're going to break it right there. So we've got the E, that's an open syllable. And then join, we've got the oi here, so that is a vowel pairing. So that's a VP syllable. All right, then we've got inform, so our prefix is in. Then we've got form, which is a bossy R. We only hear the R sound. So prefix, base, and then we've got the closed because of the N, and the OR makes a bossy R syllable. Reject. We've got our prefix and our base word, ject. We've got an open because of the E and a closed because of the T. And last, we have insert. So we've got the prefix in, the base word is cert. We've got a closed and a bossy R. All right, so you're going to practice writing your words. So the first word I want you to practice is inside. So you've got your prefix in, s, I, d. Okay, so that would be I-N-S-I-D-E. Good job. And the last one is relate. So you've got your prefix re and then late, l-a-t. Very good. All right, you did a great job this morning and have a